Hello, this is Robin Scher with On or Off the Grid. How do you dig 2 foot deep post holes in the really hard soil in Phoenix? I have to dig through caliche, a cement hardpan below the surface that can break shovels and picks like popsicle sticks. I had to install a 300-foot steel fence with 55 post holes. Ironcraft Eurofence recommends digging an 8-inch diameter hole 2 feet deep, but this is impossible for us old folks with a handheld digger, and a really good auger would cost nearly $800. I bought a Holey Moley post hole digger with 4-inch diameter bit. This works by breaking up the soil as you grind down, and a 16-gallon 6.5 horsepower shop vac sucks up the debris.
Yeah, it's going in good. Keep going. Keep going.
You can see that Cheryl got down to nearly 2 feet in a matter of minutes. Sometimes I have to break up the very hard surface with this huge pole, and then I can start using the Holey Moley digger to get down quickly through the surface, as you can see. Here you have a straight, uniform, narrow hole, which I can fill up with cement or dirt. And this holds the fence posts very well. And you can see we had the entire fencing done within a matter of days. This was quite a time saver for us and a back saver as well. So this has been Robin Scher with On or Off the Grid. We'll see you next time.